In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Scrum project in Jira. To get started, open Jira and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. From there, select Projects or Spaces, depending on the layout you see in your version of Jira. Once that section opens, click the plus or Create icon next to it. This will take you to the template category page where Jira gives you different project types to choose from based on how your team works. On this page, select Software Development. After that, choose Scrum. Since this framework is designed for teams that plan and deliver work in short, organized cycles called sprints, then click Use Template to continue. Jira will now ask for some basic project setup details. Enter a name for your project and then choose the project type that best fits your needs. You can select Team Managed if you want a more flexible setup for an independent team, or Company Managed if you need a more standardized structure across a larger organization. Jira will also generate a project key automatically. This key is used to identify issues in the project, so it's good to quickly review it before moving on. When everything looks right, click Create. Next, you may be prompted to set up your space. Click Next to continue. After that, Jira may ask you to invite people by entering names or email addresses. Add the appropriate team members if needed, then click Next again. You may also see an option to connect your work. Complete that step if it applies to your workflow, and then click Done to finish the initial setup. Once that's complete, you will be taken to the project dashboard. This is where your Scrum project begins to take shape. To build your backlog, go to Backlog from the left-hand menu. The backlog is where you capture all the work your team may need to complete. Click Create to add work items such as epics, user stories, tasks, or bugs. As you add each item, describe the work clearly, assign it if appropriate, and estimate the effort so your team can plan more effectively. When your backlog has enough items, it's time to plan your sprint. In the backlog view, click Create Sprint. Then drag and drop the relevant backlog items into the new sprint section. After that, click Edit Sprint to define the sprint name. Choose the duration, such as 2 weeks, and enter a sprint goal so the team has a clear focus. Finally, once your sprint is planned and scoped, click Start Sprint. Confirm the duration and start date to officially begin the sprint. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.